Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Choco. Hope you all are doing well. In the Christmas series, the next nail art is the Christmas lights nail art. So when you have a Christmas tree, you have Christmas decoration, so it's time for some Christmas lights nail art. So let's get started. So guys, I wanted to ask you if you watched my other Christmas series nail art tutorials. If you haven't, please go to my channel and watch them. And voila, this beautiful and super easy Christmas lights are here. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Choco, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I shall meet you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Until then, take care. Bye.